Hello and welcome to a Las Vegas high-rise condo construction update brought to you by theview99lv.com and me, Makia Turner with Coldwell Banker Wardley. Let's begin with Juhl, which is located in the new vibrant downtown Las Vegas. As you can see, construction is well underway and should be completed on time for its opening in August of 2008. Juhl will be the newest addition to the new Las Vegas downtown when it's completed. Fontainebleau is located directly on the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. When completed in the fall of 2009, it will offer over 1,000 condos for people to own. Reserve your unit today for substantially less than what they will be selling for when completed. MGM City Center is well underway, and it's on its way to being complete in November of 2009. City Center offers 5 different residential opportunities within its massive $7.5 billion development. Residential units are selling like hotcakes, so if you would like to own a piece of this multi-billion-dollar development, you need to act fast.